So my name is Uji Handoko Eko Saputra, as known as Hahan. So I study in printmaking in Yogyakarta. I'm finished in 2009. I work personally to make an artworks as an artist. So in 2011, I start join and made a house collective with several friends in Yogyakarta. Another side of my practice, I doing several of music project and collaboration. A lot of my practice in make an artwork or a project actually based on time, speculation, value, and anomaly in the art market in the previews of my works. A way of my work is not designed as a chapter first, but suddenly now I can looking what my practice before. So for me, it's good to make several of work who have the relation of my practice during that time in a chapter. So for me, it's because a chapter is related with my practice. So actually, what I doing is looking the phenomena who close with me. So from the phenomena, I try to take some of the point of that and a process to relate to be an artworks. And of course, the process of that need a nutrition more. First of my practice is what I found the problematic in my society or in what I living. So I starting changing to be visual. Of course, it can be a painting or a sculpture. That's the first of my methodology. But in the several years after, I just thinking to want to make not just only illustration of the problem, but actually I want to do more and put several of possibility inside my practice. So some of that I talking about the materials. So because actually material is can be something politics to talking some of issues. So the material can be important to make the idea in a very solid context. Audience is part of the artworks. So to realize that, I invite audience with the consciousness or not is to be part of my artwork. So for this, I use the platform of performative to be realize the works. I leave the previous chapter and try to make a new chapter and forget what my practice before. But it's more like accumulation or a mix together, depend of the concept I want to talk. I need to have a space and time because in my daily needs, I just wake up at 8 or 9 and preparing and 10 going down in my studio and already make the works. Sometimes this is like you feel you get the push to doing works every day because you're thinking if you're not doing that, you're not productive. It's like why I too lazy today? So I need to doing something, I need to do something. But because you need to doing fast, so you cannot thinking more deeper what you're doing. So I guess the residency is a good way to thinking again, to present something more simple maybe, but very direct on what I want to talk with the material, with the concept, and with the execution, and with the audience. In the young age of mine, I'm very interesting with kind of the historics of Indonesian art, I guess. So sometimes I look the painting, if we can calling is like Moi Indie, just beauty of Indonesia. So it's something like just decoration or something, or like why I make this one. This is the relation with the first I try to intervention the Moi Indie paintings. So in 2012, 2013, I make a series of that. So I use image of the painting from the previous senior artist from Indonesia who's always related with Moi Indie. I use the painting and I put my character or my idea and try to make something new about that with the context of the object what we look. So the painting is the landscape about the Merapi Mountain. Merapi Mountain is almost the active volcanoes in Java. So the first from the senior artist is present a painting of the natural of Merapi Mountain as the great and beautiful ones. For me, Merapi in the context with relation of Yogyakarta culture is a lot of meaning. So I guess I can doing something with that. And suddenly, because I try to find a mountain, about the Merapi Mountain, I meet Raden Saleh, who's actually before I don't imagination if Raden Saleh a painting of Merapi. If we can see the histories, I guess it's the first painting Merapi as a Javanese people is Raden Saleh. Before the senior painter, I made the painting of him. And suddenly in 2019, I have the opportunity to have a project in Dresden. It's more like a commission project and start to talking about what the new home in Dresden. So for that context, I found if Raden Saleh have the history living more than 5 years in Dresden. So I try to find what I can do with the context of Raden Saleh in that. Raden Saleh itself in the art market have a very high price as the works of Indonesian painter. So for me it's something like quite interesting in looking with history and of course in the context of the market itself. If all the researcher very into the Raden Saleh is for western side, from France, from Germany, from Australia. So for me as people who live in Indonesia and maybe we have a lot of stories about Saleh in his stories. Raden Saleh itself always try to, some of people try to take him to make the context of, oh, this is the first painter of Indonesian. But actually during Raden Saleh live, the imagination of the country of Indonesia is not happen. So sometimes they just put as the national heroes of modern art Indonesia. But sometimes we need the question again about that. That's true because that time the imagination of Indonesia is not happen. So sometimes this is not context, but some historian want to make some person to be represent of that context. I assume I'm going to residency in France because one of the city who he always mentioned in the several journal is Paris and France. And of course Marseille as the big port and old port is the way he come in and he come out. He come in the second trips in Marseille because he have like a 2 time going to Europe. First go via Holland, maybe Arnhem or Den Haag, and going back to Java. And in 1871, he back to Europe by Marseille. But he leave Europe first time by Marseille. For me, is to talking with the history of Saleh, but without put Saleh inside of my works. It means my previous work is always borrowing or stealing image of Saleh and I changing to be my own. But actually still have the legitimation of Saleh inside the works. But I guess during this residency, I found more than what I thinking before. Because in here, I start slowly, not just idolize, but slowly is looking far than what I doing before. So in here, I found more of context and can talking more about the condition of the colonial time during who's the Javanese going to abroad and have the suddenly knowledge of Western and try back to Java, and in Java he's not have a connection with the colonial level. This is something very happy I found in here because I try to talking with the history of Saleh, but not just only use Saleh works, because this is the first I worried if I talking about the Saleh and still using a Saleh works, it can be a shadow of Saleh, moving or mobility of an artist. It's good to me to measurement what I doing. Sometimes if I living in my country, in my possibility to working with people who already know me and make the talk, the easiest to make something object is or workshop who's never you doing the technically and you just hire that is something easiest and you make the comfortable of that situation. But for me, going overseas, I think is back to make you in the zero level. You not bring anything. You bring the knowledge what you have. You not have capability to access several things, but you have negotiation about that. What you need to present, what you have to present. I found several of the dust of the gold which can be possible to make a good project. So in the real life, after comeback, sometimes for me it's like starting with dealing with daily activity, daily routinity. Is sometimes you just keep it the good things and leave it that, and maybe sometimes they will be forget. So for me is I need to disciplinize. At least I need to commit to 1 or 2 days to starting to looking what I found in here. So it will be something whose I never doing before.